was led by friends who in faith to the healer pled. Touch him, teacher, make him see. They trusted Jesus' power would set him free. Step by step, the sight was given. First was a fog, then full precision. Truth unfolds, but not all at once. Faith grows brighter, dusk to dawn. The Master took him, hand in his own, led him forth where faith would be shown. Outside the town, away from its ways, where doubt and darkness dim their days. Woe to the hearts that will not see. Signs and wonders will set him free. Yet hardened minds in blinded pride turn from truth and cast it aside. Eyes, soft on his sight, laid his hands on the man with holy might. Look and now tell, what do you see? Shadows shifting like walking trees. Step by step, the sight was given. First was a fog, then full precision.